dapat nandito na sila para yung...
Kaya nag-prank na nag-iwan sa vibe, tatalim ko vibes.
Para yung siya ng asawa niya mag-iwan. Tapos yan. Hindi na pa yan pag-fly.
Especially with your logo on it, it ain't cheap.
How you doing, young man?
What you gonna do?
Really?
Oh, hold up. I seen her walking. She was way over there somewhere.
Diyan ako sulod. Ha?
Sabi no? El Nino.
Ay, gastusan yun mo.
You guys ready? They introduce I'm the black bitch with the message. They don't make sense. Stanky leg? You do that stanky leg? Nah?
No, not that one.
Why you looking at me like I'm crazy? You never heard of stanky leg? Look at him, look at him. Alright, so this is how we gonna do it. Excuse me. A little more space in this.
Hey, yo, you gotta make some room. My man got me
No
with me. My man's coming with me. Hold on. I got my man over here.
So where's everybody at that we had earlier?
So I got old school.
My man right here.
Old school.
Hold up. Can't do that.
Hey, yo, Empire.
I'm talking straight forward. Okay? Breaking 1 and 2. He's up-rocking you, son! He's up-rocking you! Yo, he's pounding you like a dance instructor right now. Oh! Okay. I don't know what this was, but he left it there for a while. Every time I see a move, it keeps saying bye, Felicia. Why you gotta catch me with the reach though?
Yo, slick.
Yeah.
Yo, my man with the tank top, he need a bleacher pass for his ass.
Hey, yo, you got some...
So who got the 8th state? No, I didn't say 8th state. I said